Um, Q. What's my Q? Okay. And now a fabulous music composer of Finding Fanny, Matthias Duplessis, will perform Fanny Ray along with the brilliantly talented Mir Mukhtiar Ali and Bastia on the accordion. And Arjun and I will try and perform.
Stage will be able to handle it.
ये स्टील बैठ दो। बैठ जाओ, अभी क्या है? बैठ जाओ यार, गाना सुनो। अरे ऑडियो खराब है। ये बैठ जाओ भाई।
Even I wasn't bad.
Thank you so much. And
isn't it very unnerving to be able to see exactly what you're doing?
We'd also like to treat you to one of the bonus tracks from the album. It's called
Shake your.
It's called
Shake your.
ये बैठ।
Don't miss the part.
ये बैठना यार। One more.
हमने गाने का नाम नहीं रखा because she'll do this action every time you want to hear the song.
Shake your. Okay, so the track is called Shake Your Buttiya, and I'd like to invite Sachin and Jigar on stage to perform for us, please.
Oh, I thought Homi and Dino were performing this.
Them too.
दादा नीचे।
Hello.
We are now opening the floor for Q&A with the media.
I don't think bold is the right word. I would say different. Even for me as an audience, when I look at the promo of Finding Fanny, I think it's very different from what one has been seeing on TV, and refreshing, different. Yeah.
So thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys covered 12
Hi,
Watch our bold film.
Arjun, Deepika here. Alok from OFA.
Different, not bold.
Yeah, different. Sorry, quirky.
मेरा सवाल आप दोनों से
Quirky and cool, correct.
जी पूछिए.
सवाल ये है कि लेजेंड्स के साथ आप दोनों ने काम किया है। नसीर साहब हैं, डिम्पल जी हैं, पंकज साहब हैं। ये लोग
Thank God आपने उनका नाम ले लिया. मैं सोच रहा था आप होमी को लेजेंड बुला रहे एक
नहीं 10-20 सालों में आप लोग भी हो जाएंगे।
जी।
तो इनके साथ काम करना और स्पेशली उनकी डांस की स्टाइल अगर आप दोनों बताएं कि किस तरीके का डांस है, उनका प्रेजेंस होना सेट पे कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है प्रेजेंट।
You want to know about their dancing style and आपने अगली चीज क्या?
एंड उनका काम करने का ढंग जो होता है।
देखिए dancing style I think we were given this freewheeling ability by our director and choreographer कि जो हमारे मन में हम गाना सुन के करें, तो कोई dancing style नहीं था. We all just tried to have fun. जहाँ तक काम की बात की जाए, I think their work and body of work speaks for itself. They're fantastic actors. I think I speak on her behalf and Homi's that we are honored to that they agreed to be a part of this film. They bring so much value, so much experience, and the command of the craft is tremendous. अपने काम को बहुत अच्छी तरह जानते हैं, and I think we have become better actors by just being in the same frame as all three of them.
दीपिका, कभी आपने मुर्गी पकड़ी है? अपने मुर्गी पकड़ी है कभी? मुर्गी
Have I? Murgi. Chicken.
It was a dummy that we ate for lunch after the shot.
तो दीपिका, वो हाथ में आपने मुर्गी भी रखा है, उसको काटने का यंत्र भी रखा है।
मुर्गी को क्या?
मुर्गी को रखा है हाथ में, उसको काटने का भी यंत्र रखा है। तो ऑन सेट कुछ ऐसा किया है लाइफ में? आप खाती हैं मुर्गी, चिकन?
सर अगले आधे घंटे में लंच होने वाला, मुझे लगता है आपको भूख लग रही है।
Hi Arjun and Deepika, this question is to you. This side, on your left.
जी.
Yeah. I just needed कि every person like searches something in life. like life में जैसे इसमें life है, romance है, love है. What are you looking out from life?
Me personally,
Yeah, yourself and Deepika.
happiness.
The pursuit of happiness.
And happiness, how will you define happiness? Happiness किसमें मिलता है?
हर रोज अलग रीजन होते हैं खुश होने के सर. कभी काम से खुशी मिलती है, कभी पर्सनल लाइफ से मिलती है, कभी कभी कोई आप किसी से मिल लो तो खुशी मिलती है. यू कैन फाइंड happiness in different ways in different places when you least expect it. So you can't describe it in आपको किससे मिलती है. हर रोज you find different experiences that give you genuine happiness.
दीपिका हेलो
I think a little bit like what Arjun said, but I think when you finally find yourself and you have the confidence in yourself to just be the person that you are and you want to be, I think that gives me a lot of happiness.
Deepika, hi, Janvi from Times Now.
Hi.
Hi. Deepika, there were reports recently that you were spending a lot of time on the sets of Dil Dhadakne 2. So will we see you in a special cameo in that film, or were you just hanging out on the set?
I don't do cameos.
So how is it? What was the experience like on the cruise?
I'll just send the girl with the mask.
So Deepika, how was your time on the set? What was the cruise like?
It's irrelevant to this event, no? We'll chat later.
दीपिका आपसे जानना चाहूंगा, दीपिका कहीं नहीं अभी चाहे चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस का मिनोमा का किरदार हो या लीला हो, रामलीला की लीला हो, जबान पे आपकी एक बहुत अच्छी पकड़ रही है जहाँ हम लैंग्वेज की एसेंट की बात करते हैं. फैनी को निभाते वक्त गोवा की भी एक अलग जुबान है, एक अलग एसेंट है, एक अलग लहजा है. ये कितना चैलेंजिंग रहा फैनी का किरदार निभाते हुए? और डू यू एग्री कि कॉकटेल से लेकर अब तक कितना ग्रो किया आपने एज एन एक्टर, और कितना योगदान मानती है आप भूमि का अपने कैरियर में?
I think as far as how much I have grown, I think you should ask someone like Homi, who's worked with me in the capacity of a director. As far as the accent is concerned, it's actually something I really enjoyed with Fanny, because the film is set in Goa, and I got to speak my mother tongue in the film, which is Konkani. Goans do speak Konkani, we know that. So I got to experiment, improvise, but most importantly, it's a nice feeling when you have command over a language. Having said that, I think the first few days on set were very difficult, not just for me but for all of us. When you're an actor in a Hindi film, you're used to listening to yourself in Hindi and performing in Hindi and hearing yourself in Hindi. When you start doing the same thing in English, it just sounds different. So it takes a couple of days to get used to that. Yeah.
अर्जुन आपसे पूछना चाहूंगा, जहाँ इस तरह की फिल्म में पंकज कपूर साहब जैसे, नसीर साहब जैसे, और दीपिका को सब नंबर 1 ही मानते हैं आज की तारीख में एक्ट्रेस. आई होप यू टेक माय क्वेश्चन ऑन अ पॉजिटिव नोट. तो अर्जुन, आपको नहीं लगता कि डूइंग अ फाइंडिंग फैनी फिल्म लाइक फाइंडिंग फैनी इज अ रिस्क और एक्सपेरिमेंट फ्रॉम योर साइड? व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट दिस?
I actually didn't think about it at all. I think a lot of people think that it's a risk. It was brave on my part. But I just feel like I didn't think about it so much. I went with my heart, I went with my instinct, and most importantly, trust. I trust Homi, and I remember him narrating this story to me when we were shooting Cocktail, and
thank you so much. The question was for Arjun Kapoor. It's okay. I was waiting to complete. I was waiting for your answer.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay, no problem. Arjun, now it's your turn. Arjun.
नहीं, आप उनका नाम निकल के कट कॉपी पेस्ट करके मेरा जवाब दीजिए.
Sir.
I didn't hear you say Arjun. I'm so sorry.
I've used Arjun.
मैं वेट कर रहा था कि सांस ले, पर नहीं.
Even I was waiting to get a complete.
नहीं, पर
Arjun.
सर.
It's happened in the film also a lot of times.
हाँ, मैं बस खड़े रह गए. जैसे मैंने कहा, I didn't look at it. देखिए, हम नाप तोल के चीजें नहीं करते. There's something called impulse and instinct that you go by. I was offered this film at a very interesting time in my life, and he came to me after seeing Ishaq Zada and said, I think you can play this character in this and live this world. तो मुझे वो बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगा था कि डायरेक्टर हैज दैट विजन फॉर मी एट सच अ नेशनल स्टेज इन माय करियर. तो मैंने ज्यादा इतना सोचा नहीं, नाप तोल के चीजें नहीं करता हूँ. मुझे मौका मिल रहा है इतने दिग्गज कलाकारों के साथ काम करने का. I'll become a better actor for it hopefully. So I did it just for the experience of it and not trying to calculate कि ये मेरा सही समय करने के लिए या मैं बाद में करना चाहिए या पहले. सब कंप्लेन करते हैं, हम लोग कुछ अलग नहीं करते. तो दुआ करता हूँ इस बार लोग कंप्लेन नहीं करेंगे, बोलेंगे अच्छा है कुछ अलग किया हम सब. थैंक यू.
Hi, Deepika. Okay, now Arjun and your very close friend Ranveer has done a very interesting cameo in the movie, right? So, hi, here. So, Arjun and your very close friend Ranveer has done a very interesting cameo in the movie. And you wouldn't do a cameo, but apparently Ranveer agreed to do this because of you convinced him to. Is it true?
अब आप किससे पूछ रहे हो भैया?
पहले दीपिका से फिर
I didn't even lift the mic to answer this.
ये दीपिका से उसके बाद will
You
come.
said Arjun, don't lie.
I said
no,
hi
no,
Deepika,
no, no.
your and Arjun's
No.
very close friend Ranveer.
You
ठीक
said
है,
hi Arjun.
she answered earlier on my behalf, so this time I'll answer.
So this is you're being the spokesperson. Good. Arjun, give a nice
We are
quote.
being each other's spokesperson.
We are being normal people and having a conversation with you. You want to enjoy that for a change?
Absolutely, I'm enjoying it.
Okay, so let's answer the question, which is it's fun when people go out and do things on a whim without thinking so much. It was great fun that he allowed himself to be a part of it, and I think it was more because of the fact that Homi one evening had met him and just narrated this story to him in this journey, and he agreed willingly. I think in that moment to he did a friendly appearance because of that, because of Homi's narration style. That's what it was actually, more than anybody else.
Okay, would Deepika want to comment on it now?
I have no say in the casting. Only
Deepika actually had no idea that Ranveer Singh was playing this cameo.
She had no idea I'm playing Savio also. Till she
Yeah.
Nobody
She
had
didn't
no
have
idea
any
what's going
what
on.
is this
Okay.
film. No, I was actually, I was sitting around with Ranveer and we were chatting about this. He said, what are you doing next? And I told him the story and told him it's been cast. So he said that, but let me play the role of, this cameo role of Gabo. And he's a super guy. I mean, just too much fun. And he came to the set, we shot him in half a day and we laughed so much he stayed on for 10 days. But Deepika had no clue about it.
Okay, nobody had any clue about it. Okay, thank you so much, guys.
Hello.
How difficult was it to have Nasir sir?
Oh, it was very easy. Very
He
easy.
he is the director of
No, I
Cocktail,
couldn't
which
hear
was
the
made in
question.
Hindi
I'm
by-
sorry. No, it was very easy. They're both thorough professionals. They have a very different approach to their acting, and they are brother-in-laws as well, brother and outlaws. But yeah, so they were just fabulous. They were fabulous in the same frame. It was a joy watching them. And since we are talking about these veterans, I must say I was extremely, extremely proud of Deepika and Arjun, considering the experience the other three have. They have gone pound for pound in this film, and I mean, they just hold their own in every scene with Nasir, Pankaj, and Dimple. English film, and we have done a Hindi dub with the cast themselves. So yeah, we shot it in English, and they've done a Hindi dub on it as well.
Hi Deepika, Bhavna this side from Z News. Deepika, there are news. This session is for you. There are news that you have asked for 15 crore for a remake of a thriller film. How true is that?
There's a producer sitting right here. Please ask him. And I do want to say that I think the source of this information is not credible, be it the journalist or the publication that's carried the story.
Thanks.
Sorry, say that again.
आपको बहुत पसंद करती हैं, 24 घंटे आपको देखना पसंद करती हैं, बहुत लाइक करती हैं डिम्पल कपाड़िया जी.
It's actually what I feel for her. But she's been lovely. We've worked on Cocktail before, and I remember on one of the off days during Cocktail, she took me out for lunch. She's taken me out shopping. She treats me like her daughter. She pampers me, she spoils me, and she loves me and I love her. And it's an equation that I'll never be able to explain in words. It's unsaid.
Homi, how easily did you convince Dimple doing this, right? What's very
No, she was very comfortable. In fact, Dimple is, I think she's extremely shy of the media, but she's completely game for anything. She's a sporting woman. She loves having fun, and in fact, in Finding Fanny, we made her wear a 20-kilo prosthetic bottom and a stomach and she wanted to make it 40 kilos, but I had to control her because she just loves going over the top. But yeah, she was completely game for anything. Likes having fun, and I think all of us love having fun, and that's why we had so much fun on this film.
Specifically the tearing of the skirt at the right place.
Was that Dimple's idea, or what do you?
How easily you convince?
Oh, there's nothing to convince. That's the character, you know. It's not like she is Dimple Kapadia in the film. So as long as it's the character and she's playing it to the T, I mean, she's willing to do anything.
Good afternoon, homie. This is Vikram from NGO.
Yeah.
Who thought of this name, Finding Fanny?
I thought of the name Finding Fanny.
Who do you think?
Who else?
It could be you, Arjun.
I got cast after he thought of the name.
Yeah, because the only Fanny that you can find is actually Dimple Kapadia, considering it is 40 kilos.
No, I think you're thinking of it in a slightly perverse way. I never thought of it that there was another meaning for Fanny. Actually, I just felt it was a.
It seems it's just me and Pankaj Kapoor who's looking.
Just
at
you,
Fanny
Pankaj Kapoor, and Arjun. But no, Fanny is the nickname of Stephanie. I mean, if I had if it was a film called Finding Dick, I mean, I don't think. I mean, if they were looking for a guy called Richard and they said, let's make the film called Finding Dick, then you guys would have thought of it in that way. It's not like that. It's just a nickname, and maybe they'll have some issues with it in the UK and the US, but not in India and other places where we have pure thought.
This is to Arjun and Dimple. Just press conference में we are finding balls, dicks, you know. Balls, dick. हमने सुना तो during the making of the film इस तरह के conversation कितने हो रहे? How much did you all enjoy this film?
Sir, you won't be able to air it, so no point us talking about it.
अच्छा, any particular dialogue ऐसे कोई यादगार dialogue हो गए जैसे आपने चुने एक बकवास डिक्शनरी वाला टाइप में कुछ इसमें सुनने मिलेगा? है ना कोंकणी ऐसे ना बोलना.
It's a full family entertainer. There should be no profanity in this film. It's.
He finished that question. He's saying आपको कोई dialogue पसंद है यादगार जो आप.
I'm sorry. I didn't follow your train of thought.
And
बोल दीजिए.
नहीं क्या बोले? ये एक सवाल पीछे चल रहा है लाइफ में. शूटिंग पे एक सीन पीछे चलते थे. Scene.
Not yet. I mean, I don't know. When you see the film, you'll know. You don't plan these things. You don't go into a film thinking that, oh, this line is going to be iconic or this line is going to be like the punchline. You go in with a character. You know, you're meant to say certain lines. You deliver it a certain way. In the process, if it becomes that, then great.
But sometimes you get that feeling also, no, while shooting it, this would definitely work out something. You know? Maybe a particular dialogue रहता है या कोई steps.
See, let's put it this way. This is not one of those films. It's not one of those films that the dialogues are written for an effect. They're very throwaway. They're very conversational, matter of fact. So tomorrow, when you guys see the film or the audience sees the film and a dialogue connects or clicks with them, then maybe we'll be able to speak about it more in detail. And there are a lot of dialogues that are contextual. So when you see it in the film, you'll enjoy it. Then maybe if we speak about it, it'll be nice.
Yeah, this question is for Mr. Vijay. Vijay sir, आपसे.
Freedom for you guys. Do you celebrate that day?
I love how you made it seem like you're pertaining it to Finding Fanny.
And
then you've gone so smartly into कि आप एक बाइट दे दो इंडिपेंडेंस डे पे. नहीं वो तो बिल्कुल देंगे पर इन्होंने जो घुमा फिरा के सवाल किया है. I like your style, madam. Ladies first. That's freedom. See, ladies first. Respect women. Give them the right to do what they want.
It's sad that we even have to say it.
That's also true, actually. Yeah.
So I answer about the film or the Independence Day bite?
About the freedom. What is freedom for you and how do you prefer to celebrate that day?
I think freedom is what I said earlier to one of the other questions, which is to be able to just be yourself, express yourself, and be confident about the person that you are and to be able to be that. For me, that is freedom.
The last two questions for
Wait, he didn't answer.
Yeah.
You.
It's pretty much the same thing she's saying. What happens is it's to each his own. At the end of the day, we live in a democratic country, and you correlated with the film, so I can say it's about enjoying yourself. That is what freedom is, where you can express yourself, enjoy yourself, do what you feel like, and not be answerable beyond a point. And I think that's what freedom is in today's day and age. You're your own master of your own destiny. You make your choices and live your life. For me, that is what absolute genuine freedom is.
Hi Deepika. Here. Hi. Deepika, you share a very good rapport with Homi and Anaita as well. Other than this, what really attracted you, to do this film? Probably you could talk about your character in the script that really attracted you.
I think for me, character is second. For me, what really drew me to the film is the fact that a director wants to tell this story, and I want to be a part of that journey to be able to tell that story. The thing is with Homi, he's so sure of what he's doing that you start believing in his vision.
No.
And I think he narrated it to me at a time when I was looking for something slightly different from what I've always done. And what I found the most challenging, like I said earlier, was to be able to perform in English. It's a very different feeling. And yeah. But most importantly, I don't think any of us thought about it so much. He narrated, I liked it, he was ready to produce it, and we went ahead with it. I don't think any of us had thought through it so much.
If I can just add to it without... I think what's nice is it's a very simple story, but the tonality that he selected and the interpretation that he has makes it unique. If he tells the story in 5 lines, it might seem like a very simple story, but he's gone about telling it in a very his own personal, unique way. He's gone for that, and I think that's what is nice about it. That's what I like personally. So the language is beyond a point. The language is not something that is ये नया है. It's not only the language कि हमने English में किया फिर इसलिए नई picture है. It is the way he's telling the story is new, and the way the characters are edged out. That is what is new in the simple story. They know about the remuneration, about your dates. Are they managing your career also?
When am I starting the film? What is my start date? I have no idea. आपको ज़्यादा पता है? आपको किसने बताया? हाँ? पढ़ा. किसने लिखा? It's not true. I think when you're making a film, it's the process of making the film and the kind of hard work and effort that goes into making a film. I don't think any of us actually sit down and say, oh, I'm going to give 31.5 days for this film. Sometimes you finish earlier, sometimes it takes longer to complete a film. I think the aim and the mission is to complete the film, and to make a good film. I think that's what we all aim to do. It's not the number of days.
At the same time, like जैसे आपने कहा कि आप टोकन से बिलिंग करते हैं. Who's the designer of clothes? Is there any input from your side? आपने जैसे कहा कि आप टोकन से बिलोंग करते हैं, तो आपकी डिजाइन कितना इनपुट था आपके क्लोथ? आपके जो क्लोथ्स है किसने डिजाइन किया और कितना इनपुट था?
For which film?
This film, because it belongs.
For Finding Fanny, Anaita.
I like how you pointed towards Homi and said Anaita.
Dinesh,
I work with her on almost everything that I can, and with Finding Fanny, I think it was a given. There was no way that anyone else was going to do it, and I think she's done a fantastic job.
Dinesh, here. Dinesh.
Hello.
Dinesh,
this is the last question for the evening.
You've produced movies like Cocktail and now, this movie, which is very international. Probably you could share some experience of, producing the
Actually, the first film we made, and that also Homi directed, was a film called Being Cyrus. So I think for us it's very important to find a story and then back the director to make it in the best possible manner. So what's interesting, like Arjun said, the story might be simple, Homi's take makes it interesting.
but it's something that everyone says. This story talks about, you know, finding a point to your pointless existence, and that's something I think today, in the era of technology, everyone will relate to, and therefore the decision also to take it wider than we thought it was. So I think it's the story. If it's a story that evokes a sentiment, you should make it.
Thank you so much. Thank you,
Deepika,
media.
last question. Deepika,
We're done with our question and answer round. Thank you so much.
She's asking a question. You ask me later.
What is your question, ma'am? What is your question? Come ahead and ask.
Deepika, yeah. My question is,
Can we have all of you on stage, please?
Deepika, my question is that it's almost 1 year completed of Chennai Express, and the Meenaka character is, you know, everybody is liking that character. And also recently, Kareena Kapoor had said that, you know, I want to be a part of Chennai Express sequence. So what is your take on it? What would you like to say about it?
I think it was kind of an emotional day for us. It was yesterday or day before, I think. And I remember speaking to Shah Rukh and Rohit, and we were all BBMing each other. Because it was a lovely journey, you know, not just the success of the film, but also the process of making the movie. And yeah.
Hola.